Hi guys, welcome to the second part of the tutorial about how to draw a simple floor plan. After drawing all my walls in the part 1, I want to put now the windows and the doors. So let's see the contents. The first thing I will do is breaking the walls. This process will be in two phases. First, I will draw lines in the places where I have to put doors and the windows. After, I have to break my walls, so I'm going to use the command trim to do it. In the next section, I will show you how to create a door and, more important, how to rotate and invert it in a very fast and organized way. In the final part of the video, I will place the doors and windows in the drawing. How to break the walls. In this section, I will draw first the lines in my walls. Be sure you know the correct place where you will put the doors and the windows. For the second line, I will use offset and I will enter the right length of this door, which is 900 millimeters. I click on the line and now again below. Now you have to do the same for all the others. Now I want to show you another technique that I think it's very effective. If you have several doors with the same size, I can simply draw the first line of each I can type offset and I can do this for all of them in a row. You can save time if you have large floor plans. Okay, now that I have finished everything, I have to break walls, and for that I will be using the command trim. You can click in this icon above, or you can type the command. I click enter, and I am going to select all my objects. Now I click enter again, and I can cut everything from where are intersections. I think you can understand better looking at the drawing. When you finish, you can simply click ESC or enter. Okay, so this looks much better now. In the next step, I'm going to show you how to draw a door. First, I will change the layer to doors. Now, I'm going to start drawing. Of course, this is just an example of a door, and you don't have to draw it like this. First, I'm making the frame, as you see. In drawings like this, when I just use a few centimeters, I use the grid as my reference. You can also notice that the snap mode is on. So, after finishing the frame, I will draw the main part of the door. In my drawing, the width of the door with the frame is 900 millimeters. So I have to be sure I draw it right. Now I will draw a line here, so I can put the other side of the frame. For that, I will use the command mirror. I will select the lines of the frame, those ones. I click enter, and now I have to draw the mirror line. I click on the midpoint, so I can have the frame here. Now I can delete this line. Finally, I will draw a circle to indicate the trajectory. I will use the command trim to delete the parts of the circle that I don't need. I select the circle, this line, and also this line, and this will be enough. Now I click enter and delete this. Now my door is done. The next step is to convert the door to a block, because it will be much easier for selection. I will type block. In this window, I will choose first the name for my block. I will pick a point for selection. I'll choose, for example, this one. I select everything. So it is set up as only one object now. In some drawings, we have to use the door dozens of times and in different positions. For this reason, I highly recommend you to do what I'm going to show you next. I will use the command mirror. I'm going to select the door, click enter, and I will make a mirror line here and click enter again. Now I'm going to use the mirror again. I will choose both doors and I will do the same. And now the mirror line here. Finally, I want to rotate this. So I will copy all these objects to another place. I will use copy. I will choose all my doors, click enter, and I will copy, for example, here. Now I'm going to use rotate. I select all my doors, and now I'm going to choose this point and rotate to this position. As you see, in very few seconds, I have my door in all the horizontal and vertical positions. Now I am ready to place the doors in the drawing. I'm going to use copy. I choose this door, for example, and I click on it, and I will copy it to this place. I also have this door here, so I click there. I will click Ask now, and I am going to choose another door to a different place. This one is here. And when I finish the doors, I will do the same for the windows. I haven't explained how to draw them, but it's the same process as the doors. So it's all for now, but before saying goodbye, I want to leave with you the list of the commands I have been using in this video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you understood this video, so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post. Take care and see you soon.